welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, before siqhubeke ngifuna ukuthi happy new year. I wish you all the best in lonyaka ka 2022 oqalayo. May all your dreams come true. Sakathi uNkulunkulu akaphendula nemthandazo yenu iyiminyaka. Let's move along to Ukhozi FM song of the year. DJ Show uyena ophume number 1 ngengoma yakhe ethi Isibani. What surprised many people on social media ukuthi they don't know the song and they had their expectation ngezinye izingoma, and guys nami ngeke ngiqamba bengayazi le ngoma, but I can't complain. I didn't vote, so I have to accept other people's choices. Let's check DJ Show's biography, guys. Her real name is Hlosiwe Mthalane. She is also known as DJ Show. She was born in 1997 in Durban. Her love for music started in 2004 when she was 7. Even though guys she is passionate about music, she is a graduate from University of KwaZulu-Natal. She holds a Bachelor of Social Science in Industrial Psychology and Management. Well guys, congratulations to her. Let's check our comment enu ngengoma kaHlo on social media. The first person said wenze kanjani Ntokazi ngoba ngiqale namhlanje ngo12 phakathi kwababili ukuzwa ngawe. Kazi kubani ngabe uzivotele na engabe ithini ingoma yakho? Ngicela uyiva kwale ngoma into ethi phela usuyikhohliwe lokuthi bikade ithini. Congratulations, even though it was my first time hearing your song. Then the other one say kungcono nivele ifake igcokaba waphafa gogo. Nakusukela this house bathi abayazi le ngoma into esoyithini lesikhadri. Then the other one said kanti ubuhle kanje kodwa ingoma yakho ayi cha bandla shembe ngiqanda ukizwa namhlanje. Then the last person said guys, anivoti nijaha ukuthuka abayithandayo bayivotelile and ihambe phambili kakhulu. Ladies house imi busy ilungisa ikhadri, abalandeli bakaHlo babuvotela. Congratulations to her. Injalo ke guys into uDJ Hlo uwinile, siyambonga. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. When you go uyivotelile nobuzitshela ukuthi izowina. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.